Hi there! In this video, we will learn about operators in algebra. For addition, we use the plus sign, like this. For subtraction, we use the minus sign. Most of the times, for multiplication, we won't see a cross. Let's see an example. Here, you can see why it could get confusing. Since the letter X is used a lot in algebra for unknown numbers, we might not know if someone wrote an X or a cross for multiplying. So we have several options. For example, parentheses are used a lot with multiplication. You can also use a dot between factors. And you could just place the factors or coefficients next to each other, like this. For division, we use either a division sign or a fraction. For exponent or power, we use a base and an exponent as usual. Remember, the base is the number that is being multiplied, and the exponent is the number of times it is being multiplied by itself, like this. A is being multiplied 4 times by itself. For roots, we use the radical symbol. In the next video, we will learn about opposite operations and why they're useful. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe, and share.